Hey, this is Alex with FileDrop, and today I'm going to show you a quick tip. We just released this. It's an easy way to export all the images in your Google Slides. If you have FileDrop, you can do that with just one click. So we go to extensions, we see FileDrop, and we click on export all images. It takes a bit depending on the size of the images and of course the size and how many slides do you have in your presentation. All the files are saved in the FileDrop folder as soon as that is created. So here I have my images. It took like 3 seconds. That's it. Thank you.